What's the Mickey Mouse on me? So let me see. Let me see. How the Mickey Mouse on me? That's it. I'll keep watching this. How did it play to? How did it play to play? How did it play me to play Santa Max? You know, I had some of the Max. That's it. Get the steady one. This works. Now keep watching this. What? That's it. I play the Sesame Street Alphabet Kitchen. Okay. Here. Now, Sesame
Street Alphabet Kitchen.
Welcome.
Hey, little chef. You help me make some more delicious word cookies.
More like
oh boy. Let's get started.
Not this time. Yes, you are this time. Now go play the Sesame Street Alphabet Kitchen.
Okay, how about this?
Okay, anyways.
G. Oh boy, let's see what you got. Bug.
A bug.
Oh, me no can wait. It's beautiful. It bug.
Okay, that's nervy days.
Oh yeah, me go first. B. G.
No.
Go for
Okay,
it.
here's bag.
Bag.
B-A-G. It's bag.
That's terrific mixing.
This.
It's cookie miracle. It's cookie in shape of bag.
Okay.
Okay, watch this.
How about that?
T. Your turn.
And
Put.
this is so.
That's terrific mixing.
Now let's do this.
It's cookie miracle. It put. Me no can wait to
Doors.
put cookie in me tummy.
That was a good, Jayden. No. Yes. No.
This time,
Yes.
me gonna try this.
Okay.
T. Now, add your letter.
Okay. P-I-T.
It. Pit. Yeah, that's it. Magnifique. It cookie that look like pit. Oh boy. Cookies look so yummy.
I love Cookie
Me
Monster
no
today.
can wait to
No.
taste.
Yes. No. Yes. Okay, that's it. Now gonna send you to Australia.
Oh boy. Delicious word cookies. Pit. Oh, for me? Oh boy. Okay. Nom.
Okay.
Put. Nom. Bug. This like dream. Nom.
Now a bag.
Bag. All the cookies for me. Thank you, little chef. Quick, we got to make more cookies for you. And for me, some more cookies. Okay.
There.
How
Now
about
what
this?
do you...
H.
There. That's what you
M.
get.
Oh boy, let's see what you got.